Hi guys! If you're here to learn how to make a flower out of an egg tray, you are in the right place. Let's get right into it. For this flower, we need a plastic egg tray, glue gun, regular scissors, serrated scissors, paint and brush, and a button. The first thing we need to do is to cut out 3 pieces of the egg tray. Now we need to cut down the side of one piece. We will make 4 cuts, leaving us with 5 petals. Next, we use the serrated scissors to put an edge on the top and side of each petal. Using the one that has been cut as a template, mark where the other 2 need to be cut. This time we need to cut it into 5 pieces and cut the bottom part off. Again, use the serrated scissors to put an edge on each petal. Now we need to glue the petals in place. We put 5 in the first circle and 4 on the inside. Now we need to glue in the bottom to the center of the flower. The last thing to finish off is to put a light touch of paint on the edge of the petals. There you have it, our pretty flower made from an egg tray. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button below.